Good morning, it's Lina. 6 minutes, that's all we need today. No equipment, just you and me. We'll wake up your neck, your spine, and your hips. Move in your comfortable range and stop if anything hurts. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Okay, come to a comfortable seat. Let's begin. Let your ear melt toward your shoulder. Breathe into the side of your neck. Slowly switch sides. Soft jaw, soft shoulders. Roll your shoulders back and let them drop. Come to all fours. As you inhale, drop your belly and look up. As you exhale, round your spine and press the floor away. Keep flowing with your breath. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back. Bend your knees as much as you like. Pedal your feet, long, slow breaths. Halfway there, you showed up this morning, and that matters. Stay with your breath, in through the nose and out through the mouth. 2 more moves, you're doing so well. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Sink your hips and feel the stretch. Other side, left foot forward. Stay soft in your shoulders. Come back to your seat. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, twist to the right. And gently over to the left. Wring out the morning stiffness. Fold into child's pose. Let your forehead rest. 3 slow breaths, just for you. That's it. 6 minutes, and your body already feels different. I'm proud of you. If you want more time with me, I made a place where we can actually talk. The link is right below this video. Come say good morning. Same time tomorrow, I'll be here.